Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Pastel Cupcake and this is going to be my very first video, which is my squishy collection. So yeah, hope you guys like it. Let's get started. The first squishy that I have is this original breaded donut. It's pretty defected, but it's super squishy. Then I have this original Hello Kitty donut with pink frosting and white drizzle. Then I have this Sammy Cream Puff. Next I have this Hello Kitty Marshmallow. Then I have another design of the Hello Kitty Jumbo Donut. It's super squishy. Then I have this Elmo Cracking Squishy. It is licensed by Universal Studios Japan. Then I have this other Hello Kitty donut that I decorated with Scribbles paint. Next I have this Seabowl bread roll. It is the pink one. Then I have this J-Dream white bun. Next I have this original Hello Kitty yellow macaroon. It's pretty squishy. Next I have this Hello Kitty donut that I also decorated with scribbles. Then I have this black bear squishy. Next I have this Sammy Cruller. Then I have this little egg squishy. Next I have this original Hello Kitty cake roll. Then I have the brown Seabowl bread roll. Next squishy that I have is this Uncle Nick's Bagel. Then I have this Sammy Churro. Next I have this Crazy Face Roadie Cake. Next I have this Cafe d'N pink macaroon. Then I have this original Hello Kitty mini donut. And I did deco the bow. Next I have this mini chocolate donut with chocolate icing. Then I have this little pig bun. Next I have this other Sammy Cruller. Then I have this Minnie Mouse bread bun. Next I have this original Hello Kitty waffle with a pink bow and chocolate drizzle. It's very soft and super squishy. Then I have this original Hello Kitty cake roll, which is also super squishy. Next I have this Sanrio t-shirt. Then I have this pink Cafe d'N eclair. I have this eye bloom seal. Then I have this original Hello Kitty maple waffle. Then this little cupcake. Next I have this decoed Hello Kitty donut. Then I have this pom-pom Purin holding a cat. Next I have this little Hello Kitty waffle. Then I also have another mini donut. Next I have this Rilakkuma in a bunny suit. Then this Hello Kitty Remint bread bun. This mini panda. Next I have this plain white bun, which I believe is a Deco Yourself squishy. Then the very last squishy from my collection that I have is this Cafe Sakura bread roll. So yeah, that was my whole squishy collection as of now, and I hope you guys liked it and subscribed. Bye!